How to add a page on Google Docs. To add a new page anywhere in your Google Docs document, select an option from the Docs menu bar or use a keyboard shortcut. We'll show you how to use both of these options in Docs on desktop and mobile. In Google Docs, you basically add a new page by inserting a page break. Anything written after this page break will appear on the new page. To add a new page to a document from your desktop, first, launch the Google Docs site on your computer. Then open the document in which you want to add a page. On the document's editing screen, place your cursor where you want to insert a new page. Everything to the right of your cursor will move to the new page. From Google Docs menu bar, select Insert greater than Page Break. Alternatively, press Ctrl+Enter, Windows, Linux, Chromebook, or Command+Enter, Mac. If you've enabled the View Greater Than Show Print Layout option, you will see a page break line indicating the new page. If you don't have that option enabled, scroll down to see your new page. To insert a new page from your mobile, first, launch the Google Docs app on your phone. Then tap the document in which you want to add a page. On the document preview page, at the bottom right corner, tap the pencil icon. This will let you edit your document. On the editing screen, tap where you want to add a new page. Everything to the right of your tapped location will appear on the new page. Then, at the top, select the plus icon. In your document, you'll see a dotted line with the text, Page Break. Anything below this line is on a new page. Now that you've added multiple pages to your document, you may want to add page numbers so it's easier to find a specific page in your document. Check out our guide to learn how to do just that. Text source: howtogeek.com.